Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this sensor right here. Now if you guys want to watch the review, setup video, those are separate videos. This is just an unboxing so you guys can see exactly what you would get inside the box. So let's get started. Let's just break this open. It does come sealed. Right away we do get indications of how to install this, which is very easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. And right here we've got some warranty stuff. Now let's just put that on the side. Inside you will see this, which is very light. Let me just tell you that. My first impression is that extremely light and way smaller than what I thought it would be. I thought this would be a lot bigger. But this is really small. Anyways, let's just put it to the side so you guys can see anything else that we got in here. We do have this if we want to install it. I would recommend just to place it anywhere in, and there's nothing else here. I would recommend to actually place this anywhere, just sitting down like you see, and not have it hanging, but you can, that's an option. That's why you got this. But anyways, besides the warranty, this is all you get inside the box. That's it. Now, if you're wondering how to turn this on, well, it's like one of those little things because it does have internal battery. And yes, if the battery dies, you can change it. This, like I mentioned before, this would slide in here. So if you want to put this against the wall, you would just drill this in and then it would just hang there on the wall. However, like I mentioned before, I suggest not hanging it. I suggest just putting it anywhere. Unless you can't, then go ahead and hang it. Now, these temperature sensors are pretty important because you might notice that around your house, you have different temperatures in each room. So you might want it to be an exact temperature in the baby's room, for example, in your own bedroom, because hey, where the main thermostat is at, it's usually not where you sleep, usually. As you can see, there's nothing on the back. There's no buttons. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. There's this right here that you guys can scan the QR code. You don't really need to because you can just open up. Once you turn this on, you should open up your Nest app and then you can go ahead and set this up, which again, I do have a video that shows you how to set this guy up. But anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, that's it. I mean, that's all that's inside the box. There's not much to look at when I'm showing you this guy, although that he's very small and he won't get in your way. And that would be it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.